Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your math lesson for today. All right, what we're going to do right now, we are going to start off our math lesson with the song by Jack Hartman, Subtraction Action, and that's going to lead us to our lesson for today. So let's get ready to learn about subtraction.
Children's songs, sing and move along. Children's songs, make your brain and body strong. Subtraction action, this is how you play. Move your body and take away. When you subtract things, you get the difference. Let's do subtraction, move and have fun. 4 bald eagles are gliding through the air. 2 bald eagles fly down and land somewhere. How many bald eagles are gliding through the air? 4 minus 2 equals 2. 3 alligators are swimming in the lake. 2 alligators go on the grass and take a break. How many alligators are swimming in the lake? 3 minus 2 equals 1. 10 fast runners are running in a race. 5 fast runners finish at record pace. How many fast runners are still running in the race? 10 minus 5 equals 5. 8 bodybuilders are pumping up some weights. 5 bodybuilders stop and take a break. How many bodybuilders are still pumping up some weights? 8 minus 5 equals 3. Subtraction action, this is how you play. Move your body and take away. When you subtract, you get the difference. Let's do subtraction, move and have fun. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumb.
All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that subtraction action with Jack Hartman today. So let us go to what we're going to need and do today. All right, so our standard is OA1. We're going to use addition and subtraction within 20 to solve word problems involving situations of adding to, taking from, putting together, taking apart, and comparing with unknowns in all positions. For example, using objects, drawings, and equations with a symbol for the unknown number to represent the problem. Our essential question is, how do you model taking away from a group? This is our I can statement. This is what I believe you can do. I can use addition and subtraction within 20 to solve word problems. All right, let's look. For this lesson, you are going to need your big Go Math book, your pencil, your listening eyes, your listening ears, your Go Math Standards Practice book, and you're going to open it to page P25 and P26. And yes, this assignment is going to be graded. So make sure that you view this video, make sure that you understand the concept, and make sure that you take a picture and turn it in to your teacher. Now let's look at some vocabulary words that we might have heard when we were listening to that subtraction action song. We heard minus, the difference, and subtraction sentence. So let's see how we're going to apply these terms today. So you should have your book, and when you get your book, you're going to open it to page 57, and it looks just like this. All right, so let's get ready to listen and draw. What are you going to do? Listen and draw. All right. There are 9 butterflies. 2 butterflies fly away. How many butterflies are there now? So let's listen again. There are 9 butterflies. 2 of those butterflies fly away. How many butterflies are there now? So let's figure that out. I have 9 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 butterflies. 2 of them fly away. That means that they are no longer there. 1, 2. How many butterflies are there now? There were 9. 2 of them flew away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means that there are 7 butterflies that remain. Those 7 butterflies are still there, and I drew a picture to represent that. Let's turn to page 58. All right, let's look at the model and what they drew. So I'm looking across the top and I see that there were 4 bunnies. 3 of those bunnies hop away. So we're going to make a subtraction sentence to figure out the difference, to find the difference. All right, so there were 4 bunnies, and we have the number 4 here. And right here, that's highlighted, we have the minus sign. Whenever we are taking away, whenever our numbers are getting smaller, we know that we're going to use the minus sign. There are 4 bunnies, and we took away 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and 1 is our difference. Let's look at our subtraction sentence. 4 minus 3 equals 1 is a subtraction sentence. All right, let's see if we can model this. We're going to use our pencils today to show taking from. We're going to draw, and then we're going to figure out which ones we need to cross out, and we're going to write the difference. Let's look at number 1. 8 dogs, 3 dogs run away. So I have 8 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many of those dogs run away? 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to make sure that I draw my model right here of 8, and I'm taking away 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means that 5 is my difference. Let's look at number 2. There are 6 frogs, and 4 of those frogs hop away. What is your difference? Well, I'm going to draw my model, my example right here. So I have 6 frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many of those frogs hop away? 4 of those frogs hop away. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is my difference? That's right, my difference is 2. Very good. You know what? You guys are so smart. I think that you guys can do the next page on your own. All right, let's see what we have going on here. We have the same concept of taking away, and I want you to model it or draw it. There are 5 seals and 4 seals swim away. So I want you to draw what that looks like. 5 are there, 4 swim away. So what is the difference? What is 5 minus 4? The same for number 4, 5, and 6. I want you to draw what that looks like. Let's look at the hot problem. I want you to make up your own, and then I want you to write the subtraction sentence. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 of those cubes. So I'm going to write 9 right here. I'm taking away because I'm writing a subtraction sentence, so I need to put my minus sign here. 9 minus, I think I'll just take away 1. 9 minus 1 equals, if I put an X on one of these, 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay? So I want you to come up with your own. I want you to take away whatever amount that you believe is necessary. But I know that I have 9, but I'm going to take away a different number than Mrs. Ball did. So you go ahead and you practice that. Let's look at page 60, our problem solving and test prep. All right, there are 5 boys. 3 boys go home. How many are there now? You're going to complete this subtraction sentence, and I want you to come up with the right answer. Number 9, there are 8 bunnies. 2 of those bunnies hop away. How many bunnies are there now? I want you to complete that subtraction sentence. Number 10, draw a picture to show a subtraction sentence. Write the subtraction sentence. So right here, I want you to be as creative as you can be. You can draw butterflies, you can draw bunnies, you can draw smiley faces, you can draw markers or crayons. But whatever it is, I want you to draw it. I want you to take some of those away, and I want you to write the subtraction sentence. Number 11 is our test prep. What is the difference? There were 5, 3 of them are no longer there. So what is the difference? What is 5 and you're taking away 3? All right. So once you have practiced this skill, it's time for you to show what you know, and it's time for me to see how smart you are. And it is time for your other teachers to know that too. So you're going to complete our standards practice book, page P25 and P26. Make sure that you write your first name and your last name, and make sure that you write nice and neatly. Where you have to shade in, make sure that you shade in nice and dark, okay? All right, so I'm looking forward to grading those awesome papers, and I hope that you all have a fabulous day. So keep practicing those math skills, because I want you to be a fluent mathematician. All right.